I don't know what the typical PCs run at. Certainly in the multiple billions of calculations per second, right? Is that correct? Okay. And I think if you got a really fast machine and that had multiple cores and so on, you could do teraflop computing. So that's trillions of floating point operations per second, right? And so 40 maybe we could do 40 decision variables without too much trouble. If you get up to 60, 80, 100, then it really becomes impossible to think about the enumeration. Okay. So just thinking about this reminds me of a speaker that we had in the department a few weeks or a couple months ago, who was making the case that the algorithm that he was going to describe over the course of his seminar was needed because there were a lot of computational problems that would otherwise be simply infeasible to do. So he gave an example of a problem that would take on today's computers 317 years, okay, to solve. And so he worked out, what the speed of computers. He asked, questions like, assuming that we're going at this rate, a number of calculations per second, this is how many seconds, and that translates to 317 years. So it got me thinking that if I wanted to solve his problem, and I hadn't bought a computer yet, what would I do? So I got this problem. I know that if I go to Best Buy and buy a computer right now and start cranking on the problem, how long is it going to take me? 317 years, right? And what's my alternative? Wait and buy a faster one. That's good. So if I wait 15 years, how much faster will I have gotten? So I got the cash in hand to buy a computer, right? I can buy it right now and start calculating. It'll take 317 years. Or I can hold on to the cash, and I don't want to get into time value of money or what the price of computers might be in the future. But then, what's that? In 15 years, no. How fast is it going to be? Do you know Moore's Law? Moore's Law says 18 months for a doubling. Now I'm going to wait 15 years. I'm going to wait 10 times 18 months. So I'm going to get 10 doublings. So 10 doublings is, yeah, but what's 2 to the 10? Okay. So I'm going to get a computer 1,000 times faster, right? If I wait for 15 years. And then how long is it going to take me to solve this problem?